How you doing? This is Bobby with Pure Fire Tactical. I'm going to show you about our duct tape rolls and how you can start a fire. You can get your tinder bundle going really easy. This is what comes with it. You have your striker, some flat wood, and one of these duct tape rolls. Okay, by itself it's going to want to blow away, so I'm going to put the tinder bundle on top of it. Gets the tinder bundle going pretty quick. You can see it's quite windy from the fan, and I don't recommend building a fire in a really extremely high wind, but this is just to emphasize a point that even in a strong wind you can still get the fire going. And hope you enjoy this little video. Bobby from Pure Fire Tactical, purefiretactical.com. Get yourself a fire starter, Flint magnesium fire starter. You'll be glad you did.